Introducing our host for today, Miss Media.
Hi everyone! Good afternoon. You see our group of pigeons? Did you know that pigeons were used as a messenger to carry out message to our family, friends, and loved ones? Now, ladies and gentlemen, please relax and enjoy as our fine family friends are going to show us amazing tricks, awesome stunts, guest participation, and important environmental message. Now, are you ready to be amazed by our fine family friends? Okay, great. So to start with, we call a partner here on stage, Mr. Ian. So welcome, Wimbledon McConaughey, Amigo. So Amigo originated from South America, and he inhabited in the rainforest of Brazil. And by the way, Amigo is a responsible bird, and he loves to see his environment clean. So we have sample trashes right
Yeah,
here,
look at the bird
and
go.
let's see what Amigo will do. Okay, but if you
Hello?
already picked up the plastic cup,
Yeah,
what
go.
did the just believe? What did he do with the detergent? Okay. Open the bin and drop it inside. Good girl. Next one, if you want to Coca-Cola can, open the bin and drop it inside. Good girl. Next one. Okay. Open the bin and drop it inside. So see, if birds can do, I can do, right? So always put your trashes into the trash bin because we all know that cleanliness is next to happiness. And Amigo together with